Ready to ditch the guesswork, can trade smarter. Let's unlock the power of VFXAlert signals on Pocket option in just 90 seconds. First, you'll need a VFXAlert subscription. Head over to their website, that's VFXAlert.com, and choose a plan that fits your trading needs. Once you're signed up, familiarize yourself with their signal dashboard. You'll see a list of currency pairs, signal direction, whether it's a call for up or put for down, and the signal strength. Pay close attention to the signal details. Note the asset, the suggested direction, the signal strength, which indicates the confidence level, and, crucially, the expiration time. This is the duration you'll need to set on Pocket option. Now, hop over to your Pocket option account. Select the same asset as the VFXAlert signal. For example, if VFXAlert says USD call, find USD on Pocket option. Next, set the expiration time on Pocket option to match the one suggested by VFXAlert. This is super important for the signal's accuracy. Finally, choose the direction call if VFXAlert suggests call, or put if it suggests put. Enter the amount you want to invest, and click confirm to execute the trade. Remember, VFXAlert signals are tools, not guarantees. Always combine them with your own market analysis and risk management strategies. Good luck, and happy trading.